Hey, what's up, y'all? Listen, I'm about to get straight into what this video is about to be about. I will be attempting to install some new headlights. This company hit me up and they wanted me to try out their product, also bring the product to my channel so I can show my subscribers, and y'all will also have a chance to order it if you like it. I will be giving my honest review on them, so I'm going to attempt to install them myself. I've installed headlights on my 2 previous cars. It was pretty easy, you know, unplug, twist the bulb, pull it out, plug in the other bulb. I haven't done that on these cars, so hopefully it's the same. You know, guys like to make stuff difficult. I've looked at it, you know, it's enough a hand gap space for me to fit my hand in between the cold air intake, but on the other side it's plenty of room. So we're about to get into this install if I can do it. If I can't do it, of course I'm gonna have somebody else to do it. But before I get into this upload, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video, drop a green emoji, and when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, once again, stop playing with slime. Also, y'all, I don't have on no merch, but please go check out my website at slimepack.store and order some merch. Whenever you order something and you get it, take a picture with it or a video, send it to my Instagram, which is down below on the screen, slimepack_392, and I will be sure to share your post, like it, love it, or whatever. So y'all probably gonna see this outfit in the next probably 2 to 3 videos. I'm on my way to a meet. Oh no, I can't hook these up. I just thought these was plug and play. Let me see. What is this? I might be overthinking. Hold on. Alright, so here are the connections, and these are the bulbs. I really think I could do it. So give me a second, y'all. So right here is what I was saying about the hand gap to get this bulb out right here. As you can see that connection over here. You got plenty of room right there to get it out. So I'm about to attempt to do something. Ooh, listen, oh my God, this car is hot. So since I'm in a rush for time and my car is hot, I think I'm gonna install this on tomorrow, which y'all will be getting this in the next clip. So I got this bulb out. This is the cap that was on it. I stuck my hand all the way right here to this corner. The other one is over here, back in this corner. The best way to get to this is unscrew this screw, and this whole intake, it'll just lift up instead of you taking your front end off or coming in through the side. So I'm about to hook this up and see what it looks like. These right here are the stock bulbs. Now I'm about to attempt to hook this up and see what it looks like. I just got off work. I got my work gloves on because I don't want to touch the bulbs and have all kind of grease in my hands. I'm about to open the pack for the new bulbs, which are right here. These are how the new bulbs look. LEDs. This connection, you hook this connection up in here, and this hooks down here to your stock piece. Like right here. You want to make sure that clicks, so you'll know your bulb. So you'll know your bulb is secure. You come down here, and this piece right here hooks into there. And once again, this piece has a clip on it. Once you push it in, you want to make sure everything clicks. I got it all hooked up, so we're about to see what's gonna happen. So I got the bulb connected, and it is bright. You can tell, bright compared to the stock bulb. Right there. These are LEDs. Now I'm about to, I guess I gotta find a way to hide this piece up in there so I can get the cap to close. So y'all, I got it. I got the bulb pushed in and locked in place, but I don't know how I'm gonna be able to put this cap on with the box right here. So I'm gonna just leave it sitting right there. It feels secure, it's not moving. So now to the other side. I seen the video, everybody keep telling me you got to take the cold air intake out, but I seen in the video all he did was unscrew this piece right here, and the whole cold air intake will lift up. As you can see, I have my whole arm, hand, everything down there. I got enough space to wiggle to install the bulb, so I wouldn't have to take this loose. I got some screws, but I didn't have the right ones to take this loose. They say all you got to do is take this out and just lift your intake up. You do not have to unhook it all the way, just lift it up. But I got enough space between here, so I didn't have to take loose anything. And just like that, both of the bulbs are installed. But now one thing is the cap. There's no way I can fit the cap back on, because as you can see, the control box right here, there's no way it's going to fit in there for the cap to close. So I'm gonna just ride with it like that. The other side is, I don't know if y'all can see it, it is right there. And yeah, so I'm about to give y'all some nighttime footage of how it looks with these lights. So y'all, this is a comparison before I add the new headlights in. Right now I got the daytime running headlights, the DRLs running. I'm about to flick on the regular headlights for nighttime, and that is how it looks. It looks so much better. It looks much more clear than the stock headlights. You know, the stock headlights got more of a kind of like, I don't know if I want to say like an orange little effect to it, but this right here, as you can see, it's like more pure, more white. It is LED. So y'all click that link down below in my description and go order y'all some of these bulbs. Trust me, I've been riding with them for, it's been at least 3 or 4 days, because I actually didn't finish this video the next day like I was supposed to.